Hello everyone, today I am going to create a 3D pumpkin pie slice on my nail. By the way, I need more comments, so I would appreciate it if you can comment on my video or ask questions. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Use white acrylic and liquid monomer to paint the background color. Grab a large bead and spread it all over the nail with a big acrylic brush. Put a gel top coat and cure for 30 seconds. Step 2. Take a medium-sized white acrylic bead and create a wide triangle shape for the bottom crust of the pie. Make sure the acrylic bead is dry, which means that there is not much liquid monomer with it. Step 3. Take a medium-sized white bead again on the drier side and make the crust of the pie on the top, as you can see me doing. After everything is dry, you can add more to the pie for a more 3D effect if necessary. Step 4. After that, use a tan-colored nail polish and paint over the whole pie crust, as you can see me doing, and the sides and edges are the most important because we will be covering up the middle top part for the actual pumpkin filling. Put gel top coat and cure. Step 5. Take a medium dry bead of white acrylic and place it over the middle of the pie, creating another triangle on top of the original, as you can see. This is for the pumpkin pie filling, so make sure you make the sides as straight as possible with your acrylic brush and keep pushing and sliding the brush down as shown. Check the pie from the sides for symmetry. After that, paint that triangle with a pumpkin orange color as neatly as possible. Step 6. I should have done this before and my camera died, so sorry for that. Anyway, I added a couple of small beads of acrylic to the top part of the pie to create a more realistic looking crust with white acrylic, and then painted over it again with the same tan color shade of nail polish. Again, this could be done before, so you only really need to paint it tan once. Add gel top coat and cure in a UV lamp. Step 7. Finally, take a medium bead of white acrylic on the dry side and put a dollop of it in the middle of the pie, over the orange color. Then, start shaping it into a dollop of whipped cream as I am doing. This is a bit tricky and it's really hard for it to be symmetrical, so don't be too hard on yourself because it will look okay. Use a small acrylic brush and engrave swirly grooves into the white bead, making it come to a point on the top like whipped cream, as you can see. Put a top coat and cure for one last time. Admire your masterpiece. I think this is a pretty cool and fairly simple nail art for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out my other videos.